Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials. Now start. Open the database connection with Sqlite 3 MyDB. Sqlite or your language driver, then verify the connection is live. Create the target table if it does not exist using a create table statement so inserts won't fail. Specify primary keys and types for data integrity. Once done, prepare a parameterized insert statement to avoid SQL injection and improve performance. Make sure to choose placeholders that match your driver syntax before moving to execution. You now execute inserts efficiently. Begin a transaction, prepare your insert statement, and bind values per row. This reduces parsing overhead and prevents injection. For many rows, accumulate bindings and execute within one transaction to get dramatic speed improvements. Commit when complete. If you need returning ID, use last insert rowed immediately after insert. Once values are bound and executed, handle errors by rolling back the transaction to maintain consistency, and then close or reset the prepared statement for reuse. You finish by committing the transaction and closing the connection to flush all changes to disk. If space or fragmentation matters, run vacuum after heavy modifications. For troubleshooting, if inserts fail, verify schema constraints, data types, and that you are within a transaction boundary. Mismatched types or not null violations are common. Also check locks and journal mode. Switching journal mode or adjusting synchronous can reveal whether durability or locking caused the issue. If needed, roll back and inspect recent SQL and parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.